Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your laptop and TV share the same network, because casting uses that connection. Once done, open YouTube in your browser or app and sign in so playlists and controls sync. Next, look for the cast icon in the YouTube player. It's quick to spot, or plug an HDMI cable into the laptop and set the TV to that input. Doing this first saves time and avoids playback mismatches later. Once the cast icon shows your TV or Chromecast, click it and choose the exact device. You need to allow the connection on the TV if prompted. If you went HDMI instead, change display settings to duplicate or extend so video appears on the TV. Make sure YouTube's quality matches your network at 720p or 1080p to avoid buffering, and switch audio output to the TV, otherwise sound stays on the laptop. These steps control resolution and sound, which affect viewing comfort. To finish, use your laptop as the remote. Play, pause, skip, and cue videos from YouTube while the TV displays them. When done, stop casting from the icon, or simply change the TV input if you used HDMI. If playback stutters or the TV doesn't appear, restart both devices and your router. Check that firewall or antivirus isn't blocking casting, and consider a wired Ethernet connection or updating network and display drivers. Those fixes resolve most connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.